So today we're going to be making a cross with our snake puzzle. So what you have to do is you bend the first one like this, and then you count 1, 2, and bend the third one to the side. So then you count 1, 2, and bend the third one down. And then you count 1, 2, and bend the second one to the side. So then you count 1, 2, 3, and bend the third one down. So then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and bend the fifth like to the side. And count 1, 2, and bend the second one like this. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bend the fifth one to the side. So then you count 1, 2, and bend the third one to up. And you count 1, 2, and bend the second one to the side. And last of all, you count 1, 2, 3, and bend the third one up. So then you got a cross. Yay!